What's going on, guys? Welcome to DJ Carter here, and today we are back with Castle Crush. I'm sorry I haven't been posting much on Castle Crush videos. I accidentally left my headphones in my pocket. They went in the washing machine and the dryer and stuff, and somehow it still works. I have no clue, but somehow it still works. I'm really shocked about that. But as you can tell, if you saw my last video, I kind of lost some of my trophies and stuff. I kind of went on not too long ago. I lost some trophies. I lost twice. Yeah, it kind of sucks. I should have not went on. I should have went on while recording, but I didn't. Trying to gain up my trophies, but I ended up losing. Sorry about that. Today, I kind of want to upgrade my deck. My cards and stuff. See if I upgrade. This is my main deck. I have other ones. If you go check out my other two other videos. It's my third. Is there a third one? Yeah, it's my third video on Castle Crush. I've kind of been playing a while on this. If you want to see any other type of games I can play and beat them, like always, comment down below what should I do. I'm gonna upgrade this. I'm gonna upgrade that. $1,000 coins. Ooh. 100 plus 105 health. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. That's pretty good. Lightning, another 1,000. Let's see what's that. Let's open these two chests. Ooh, epic or rare. Aw, it's just epic. That's fine. Skeletons. That's alright. I have no chest slot, sadly, because I haven't won any games. That's why we need to win some. Here we go. I have barely a little more trophies than this guy. Ooh, this castle's level 5. Like level 6. I'm level 6, my bad. Come on. Go like this. Not one shot him. Yeah, there we go. Dang it. That's smart, alright. Go like that. I'm gonna rush him. That. Yeah, yes. Should I go like that? No, I'm gonna hold that. Yes. Okay, that's fine. Should hit both. Yes. That he should maybe go like that. Should he kill that girl? Okay. Yes, he got him. Go like that a little farther back so it doesn't hit him. Here we go. Yes. Dang it. Alright, that's fine. Go like that. Everyone. Nice job, guys. Yes. Yeah, I'm very surprised that my headphones still work. I'm like super shocked. It's kind of funny. Yeah. If you want to check out my other two series of these, not series, posts of these. The last post, it was glitching out, and I couldn't put out any men. It's really dumb. It's super dumb. I didn't like that one bit. And I lost that game. Check that out. Yes, hit him, please. Yes, alright, that's good. Not good. Go like that. This is not good. I might lose. I have more health than him, for sure. More health, sorry. Not good. It should kill him. Yes, okay. No, I didn't mean that. Dang it. this is not good at all. I don't think we won it, guys. I think we did. No, I thought it one shot. Oh, dang it. This should. No, I forgot about. This is not good. Dang it. That's alright. We're 1-1 right now. See if we can get this one back. You guys, I have a question. You guys can comment down below. Do you think I should play Clash Royale? All my friends, they do. And they're like playing some games on that, posting. But I'm not. I don't know. I'm not. It's like kind of too late because they're all good at it. And if I start playing, I'll be bad. But I could possibly catch up and beat them. It's up to you guys. That's why I want you guys to go down below and slap that like button and subscribe button for more. And comment what do you think I should do. We need to know. No, he's rushing me really good. Go like that. Right. Go like that. This is not good. Hit the Joker. Yes. I'm scared. This is good. This is good. This should kill. Yes. No, motherfucker. Here we go. No! No! Uh-oh. This is not good. He gets one hit on my castle. I'm screwed. Come on. Right there. Alright. They should both die at the same time. Yes. Like that. No. Those skeletons. They're gonna die. That's fine. No. God, I hate that guy. Alright. I have any strategy. Go like this. So we have to put men in all this too, Rose. Go like that. Please kill that archer dude. Yes. He got my base. So if you can go in OT. Yeah, once it's like this kind of like OT, you start losing health. It's really dumb, but the game will go like continuous. So I have to end it quicker. That's why they did that. It's not good. Oh, should not put that out there. I lost. Wow. That's fine. That is fine. Alright. This should be our last round. So far, so good. Let's go like that. Heal up our base. Yes. So far, so good. Let's end this with a win. Right here. Dang it. He's from America. This guy is Master. Yes, we won. Yes. Nice job, guys. Alright, guys. I'm going to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, slap that like button and subscribe button for more. And adios, amigos.